Affiliate marketing with Facebook. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective and enjoyable ways to make money online because it involves a lot of discovery on your part, especially when you start finding out the types of affiliate offers that do work on your affiliate sites. What successful affiliates love the most about affiliate marketing is the fact that you can make lots of money by promoting stuff without you having to actually produce anything. Merchants will provide the products for you to promote, and affiliate networks will provide the logistics and the ad units, leaving you to only use your preferred marketing channel. The vast majority of affiliates promote their affiliate offers through websites, which today keeps being the most popular affiliate channel and the one most openly supported by the majority of affiliate networks. Many affiliates are using alternative channels to promote their affiliate offers, including video streaming platforms and social networks. Due to Facebook being the largest social network in the world, affiliates are flocking there in hopes of breaking it big. Yet, it is hard to find a single affiliate who has succeeded to make Facebook a viable channel to promote affiliate products. And that is because you can't promote affiliate offers on Facebook the same way that you do on a website. In this video, we are going to show you how to properly promote your affiliate offers on Facebook risk-free. Start by sharing quality content. You will fail badly as an affiliate marketer if you use Facebook to cold promote affiliate offers, because Facebook users can spot posts made by affiliate marketers from a mile away, and they have learned to simply ignore them. Besides, the Facebook algorithm is extremely good at keeping sales-related posts outside the news feed to maintain a good user experience. You have to focus on producing quality posts that provide value to leads. The best way to provide value to leads is by posting information that can help them answer their concerns around the type of products that you promote, and then casually adding your affiliate links after one or two helpful posts. Use groups and pages to promote your affiliate offers. Now, we can't recommend you do affiliate marketing on Facebook from your own profile because you can easily get flagged as a spammer. Instead, create pages and groups to promote your affiliate brand. Groups work especially well because groups are mostly considered to be communities, and the content that you promote there will be appreciated by the people joining in. The best strategy is to create a group centered around a highly popular niche, and then start posting your content first and your affiliate links later. Don't be shy to post your affiliate links on groups other than yours, but be careful about where and when you do so. Sharing affiliate links during the holidays is mostly okay, for example, and on deal-centered groups as well. Shorten your affiliate links. Facebook has strict rules against spam and restrictions upon marketing URLs. At the very least, a poorly placed affiliate link will lower your post's relevance, and at worst, you will get flagged. The best way to avoid penalties or irrelevance is by shortening your affiliate URLs. Keep in mind, though, that not all link shortening services are affiliate-friendly, so we recommend you use tinyurl.com to shorten your affiliate links. Always use images in affiliate posts. Image posts convert infinitely better than text-only posts. When you promote a product, concentrate on a single picture of the product or an image with a simple background and text. Avoid flashy images because they are immediately considered spam. Use Facebook video to post product reviews. Did you know that the Facebook algorithm gives lots of relevance to Facebook video posts? That's right. You can get lots of clicks and conversions by posting a video made with Facebook Live to promote your products, and people just happen to love review videos. Use Facebook sidebar adverts and send your leads to a landing page first. Facebook doesn't like it when advertisers use Facebook ads to promote affiliate offers, but there is a workaround. Simply create sidebar ads and target users that are fans of the brand or products that you are promoting. Now, neither Facebook nor affiliate networks like it when you send leads right from an ad to a product page. So take your time and create an attractive landing page for sending people to after they click on your Facebook adverts.